At Comtron's Econo Cycling Center, we realize that our planet needs sustainable mobility options that protect the Earth and support living a healthy lifestyle. We generate electricity with the help of solar energy on the roof of our business building. That way, we're making sure we supply enough electricity to meet our every need. The future is Econo e-bikes, manufactured in Slovenia. They encompass everything you need for a safe and comfortable ride. We entered the electric bicycle market with our very own custom-engineered and manufactured rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. They combine state-of-the-art technology, European quality standards, performance, and an aesthetic design. They are ergonomically designed and easy to handle. We produce standard battery packs and custom battery packs. We strive to establish long-term partnerships with customers and business partners. The flawless operation of all e-bike components is ensured by our experts by testing each component, enabling us to perfectly coordinate the operation and ensure the safety of the entire e-bike system and the rider. Today, mobility must be fast, efficient, comfortable, practical, and above all, environmentally friendly. Econo, batteries and bikes, the good side of energy.